The greatest pain when it comes to kienyeji chicken farming, or even any poultry farming for that matter, is losing your money through mortality, that is death, and the other thing, feeding poor quality feeds that does not increase the production and the growth of the birds. This costs more to farmers, this tends to stress more farmers, but we got you. Today, we are looking at how you can manage to make your own kienyeji chicken feeds at home. And the only thing that you need, imagine, it's just going to that feed store or feed shop and manage to buy the simplest available ingredient and supplements. And now, using our formulation, you can mix them well thoroughly, feed them to your chicken, and start seeing the growth. And if it lays, it shall be eggs. My name is Kelvin Iremo, an agricultural consultant here at Farmworks Kenya. Farmworks Kenya is an agricultural solutions center that offers farmers with realistic solutions to their daily farming challenges. Now, if you are new here and you've not subscribed, it is my humble request, kindly subscribe, kindly like, and also don't forget to share. We shall tell you that this is the only way that we can manage to help us and empower as many farmers as possible. Now, with that said, let's jump on how you can manage to make some quality chicken feed at home. So, what does your birds need in the first place? Your birds need some feed that will give it energy, also some proteins. It also needs some minerals and some vitamins along the way. Now, with this basic formulation, you can manage to make these feeds at home. And then question comes, what then do you need? You need the following supplements. You need broken maize, that is the mid maize. You also need maize jam. You also need wheat pollard. You also need ochonga. These are protein supplements, like a small pinkish fish. Then you also need sunflower seed cake for protein, cotton seed cake for protein, Layers Extra. These are supplement full of the vitamins and minerals. You also need the calcium phosphate, the DCP. You also now need also a toxin binders. How then will you mix it? You will need the 10 kilograms of broken maize, 30 kilograms of maize jam, 13 kilograms of wheat pollard. Ochonga, you'll need 15 kilograms. You also need 20 kilograms of sunflower seed cake. You'll also need 10 kilograms of cotton seed cake. You also need 1 kilograms of Layers Extra supplement. You also need 1 kilogram of the calcium phosphate, the DCP, and you also need 0.5 kilograms or 500 grams of the toxin binder. Now, if you do with an average cost, for instance, the broken maize costs 60 shillings per kilo, maize jam around 40 shillings per kilo, wheat pollard around 40 shillings per kilo, ochonga around 100 shillings per kilo, sunflower seed cake around 55 shillings per kilo, and cotton seed cake around 50 shillings per kilo, Layers Extra supplement 1,000 for the kilo, and then DCP 200 shillings for the kilo, and the toxin binder 500 shillings for the 500 grams. Now, this will give a total cost of 6,870 shillings. What does this mean? It means that you will only spend about 70 shillings per kilo. And the only thing that's good is that you have a guarantee on the quality of the feed. The aim of adding the toxin binder is to prevent and curb all the toxins that may be on the feeds due to, especially the aflatoxins, due to around the transit, along the way. But this toxin binder helps it. So with an average cost of 70 shillings per kilo, you have a good quality kienyeji chicken feed that you can feed it to your chickens and start observing the laying. Remember, this formula is as good as the raw materials that you use. So if the raw materials are not good, if the ingredients are not good, if the ingredients are shorter, then you won't get the intended results. But if the ingredients are of good quality, if the ingredients are of the same level, definitely you will get some good level. Remember, also, don't forget to supplement also with the dewormers. You have to make sure that they are well dewormed, the environment that they're staying is cool, and also they are all free of diseases, because also the diseases can hamper the growth that may be brought by this feed. Let me know about this formulation, and for the farmers who are also making their own feeds, kindly share the formulation that you have and tell us, how has it worked? Has it saved cost on you? Have you seen the results on the production and the growth of your birds? Thank you, and let me see you then on our next video. Here we explain why your chicken are eating eggs and how you can manage to boost their trade. Thank you, and let me see you there.